Okay, going to example 4, it says that my perimeter of DEF is going to be 104. So let me go ahead and highlight it for you. We're saying that this whole perimeter, D, E, and F, is going to be 104. Okay? Hold on. Let me actually write it with a different color. 104. And point G and H are midpoints. So if point G and point H are midpoint, then this is what we consider as a mid-segment. And if G and H are midpoint, this also means that this length right here and this length right here will be the same. And this length right here, H and E, will also be the same length as H and F, because of the idea of the midpoint. Now it's asked me to determine my length of GH. Okay? So we're asked to find my length of GH right here. So I put a question mark. Okay? Now, in order for me to do this, now first of all, I know that GH is going to be half of DE. But before I use half of DE to figure out, I need to figure out what is my value of Y, right? So now, in order to figure out my Y value, I need to figure out, in order to figure out my Y value, I can use this piece of information right here, which is that the perimeter is 104, okay? Now, if this is Y equals minus 5 here, then this part right here will also be Y minus 5. If this is 2Y minus 15, HE will also be 2Y minus 15 according to my idea of a mid-segment. Now, using the given information that my perimeter is going to be 104, this means I can set up equation. I can know that 104 equals to all my sides add up. So 104 equals 4y minus 6 plus 2y minus 15 plus 2y minus 15 plus y minus 5 plus y minus 5. I add everything together. I know all of these must equals to 104. Now let me combine all my like terms. So I have 4y plus 2y plus 2y plus y and plus y. So that's 4 plus 2 plus 2, that's 8 plus 1 and plus another one. So that's going to be 10y. Okay. Now I'm going to combine all my other numbers. So I have a minus 6, a minus 15, a minus 15, a minus 5, and minus 5. Now if I go ahead and take a calculator, I will put in my calculator that I have a negative 6, minus 15, minus 15, minus 5, minus 5. This will give me a minus 46. And all of these equals to 104. Now it's just a two-step equation. I'm going to add 46 on both sides, so I can go ahead and cancel the 46 on my right side. This will give me, on the left side, it'll give me 150. On my right side, it'll give me 10y. Now just a one-step equation, I'm going to go ahead and divide 10 on both sides, so this cancels. And right here, my y value will be equal to 15. However, this is not my answer. I'm trying to figure out this value right here, GH, which is going to be half of DE. Now let me just put my missing variable here as x, okay? Let me just call this as x. Now I know that 2x will equal to 4y. I know that 2x will equal to 4y minus 6 because I know that this length right here is half of the length of my larger figure, which also means that 2 of this will make one large one right here. So 2x equals 4y minus 6. Now I'm going to do my equations. But before I do my equation, I need to plug in my y value first, right? So I will have 2x equals 4. Now y here is going to be 15, so I plug it in, minus 6. Now I use my calculator. Okay, so I have 4 times 15. This gives me 60. And 60 minus 6 right here will give me 54. On the other side, I have 2x. Now I have 2x equals 54. All I have to do is I'm going to divide 2 on both sides. This cancels out on the left side, and I have x on the left side. And on the other side, 54 divided by 2 will give me 27. And this means that my GH right here is going to be 27. Because I say that GH, I will just call it x. After I saw that x is 27, I know that my GH here will be 27 as well. Now this is all the lesson content that we have. Please ask me if you have any questions.